Doughty for Glenn McCrory's Voice of Boxing with, till very recently, British welterweight champion Johnny Garton. How you doing, Johnny? Fantastic fight.
Thank you. Yeah, obviously gutted, upset. I've just lost my title, so I'm not happy, but it's boxing.
It felt like, it looked like you were going to be too strong for Chris Jenkins in the first couple of rounds. Round 3 you really asserted yourself and started to bully him a little bit, and it looked like at that point you might be about to take over. What happened afterwards?
Yeah, I was just getting into it, started to feel good, and then all of a sudden I just know I hit a wall. I just worked myself, and I don't want to take nothing away from Chris because he won the fight, but yeah, just hit a wall. I don't have to Garton fight took too much out of me. I can't keep digging down well, and yeah, it was just one of them things, boxing.
Is it one of those things? Did you think the scores were a little wide? I must admit I did.
Yeah, I thought it was a bit closer. Chris came up to me and said he thought he only nicked it by 2 or 3 rounds. So yeah, I definitely think the scores was wide, but at the end of the day, if you lost, you lost.
Okay, and did you, when the fight was over, did you have that feeling that you knew you'd lost?
I knew I hadn't done enough, you know. As I said, I didn't feel myself, and I don't want to make excuses. A few little niggles I've had in camp was playing up, and they just all seemed to hit me at once, and listen, that's what it is.
I'm sure you're going to go home having a well-earned rest, Johnny. I would like to say that nobody could ever accuse you of being in dull fights, and if all fights were like that, well matched, well contested, bitterly contested for a proper title, I think this game would be all right. You got any thoughts about the future week from here at this early stage?
You know, I need to, as you said, I'm always in a tough fight, so I need to have a rest, have a chat with my family, have a chat with Al, and see where it goes. I honestly don't know how much the Garton fight took out of me. I thought I was fine, but you know, I died after about 3 or 4 rounds. I wasn't myself.
Is that something that you feel when you have a tough fight like with the Garton fight? Is it something you don't really find out till the next time you go to the well and see what's there?
Possibly, yeah. You know, I think I still dug deep and I still pushed through. But yeah, as I said, I felt in the 4th round I was getting into it, and then I didn't have my sharpness there, and little niggles just started to pop up and cause me problems. But we'll see what happens.
Well, Johnny, congratulations for putting up a great show. You're still a champion as far as I'm concerned, and thank you very much for making yourself available on a night like tonight. Thank you very much. Cheers.
Cheers, mate.
Good ball.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the former Commonwealth and British champion and the former cruiserweight champion of the world, gentlemen,